Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fernand Mustafa Mursalin, 11 grade RPL. So let's talk about mobility in the digital era, especially for remote work. Remote mobility or remote work has become a trend in the digital era, not limited by space and time. Employees can work from anywhere. So mobility in the digital era is have been to be trend because there are so many the benefit. So let's talk for the first. Let's talk about the definition of remote mobility. What is remote mobility? Remote mobility means working from a place that is not the office. People can do their job from home or anywhere without going to the office. And then, how does it work? In remote mobility, employees use digital technologies such as computer, laptops, smartphone, and email to work from a distance. So remote mobility is you work from your home or from anywhere, and then how does it work? Just like use computer or laptop, and then you need connection, and then you send the tasks and then the result using the emails and others. And the next, who is remote mobility suitable for? Remote mobility is suitable for employees who need more flexibility in their work and aren't tied to a single location. This special for someone is hasn't like going to the office and then just like doing the tasks anywhere or just in the home and others. What are the type of mobility? There are several types of mobility, including part-time or full-time mobility, telecommunication, telecommuting, and mobile work. And from others this title, still there are many about mobility, just like communication mobility, and then there is study mobility and others. So just focus on the business in digital era, especially for work mobility. So next is we talk about the benefits and the challenge of mobility work. For the first, the benefit is higher productivity because employees are more focused and some to enjoy their work. Like what I just said, employees will more focus and then more enjoy because they didn't think about go to the office and then they didn't think about meet with others people. They just think about their work, so they just focus on that and then just do it until done and then just send to the boss or the manager. And then what talks about the challenge, it is hard to difference work life and personal life. Also, there is not much social interaction at work. Maybe it's you can say good for someone it's introvert because they don't like to meet with others people. Yeah, but if you want to work at your home, you have to can differ about your work life and then your personal life. Don't mix all of your life between work and between personal to be one. It cannot because it will bothers your brain, will bothers your mind, and then your work will not effective. So let's talk about the flexibility. Employees can do their jobs freely, more freely. They can choose their own time and do not need to work in an office. This very flexibility. So if you work everywhere do you want or anywhere do you want, every time or just in the morning or just in the evening, in the night and others. And this why flexibility, because you don't need to go to the office. It's make more cheap also your money for not buy ticket for go to the office. Next, management strategy. This special for the boss and for the manager and others. First, an empowerment approach. Management provides and grants autonomy to employees. So, manager must be can management. So yeah, they have to can manage all of the employees for they not lazy like or others lah. And then open communication. There must be open communication between employees, department, and managers to make sure coordination. So, not just the manager always see the employees, but they also have to make good communication, not just from one face, but from two face, or others from every face. And then for the next is performance monitoring. Management needs to observe and monitor the performance of employees working remotely. Yeah, as you know, monitor is important if you work anywhere. So you need to make monitor more good and then more clearly and suitably and others. So next, supporting infrastructure. Not just you can work at your home, but you need something for this can make your work is more easy and then nothing less connection. For the first is high speed internet connection. For high speed internet connection, it is important to make sure that employees can access the company network and communicate effectively. If you nothing connection between you and your office or your company, you will lose connection. Yeah, and then this will make you more difficultly for send your project, for ask your job and others. And then you need laptops and technological equipment to work effectively. Employees need reliable technological equipment that suits the requirement of their jobs. Yeah, maybe if you to be programmer, and then you will work at the application code, application program. You need have your laptop is more stronger than just web developer. It different spec of the laptop. You need like more higher, and then you need data security. The company must keep data and system safe. Management must make sure not one can steal or damage them. So this the tax of the company. You need to make data security if strongest, not just strong, but strongest than others. Okay, but next we talk about the required equipment. What do we need if we want to work at home? For the first, I make the list for hardware. Hardware there are laptop or PC with special specification, and then there are headset for video conferences for make clearly your ear and more clearly your sound, and then you need high quality webcam. So not just the sound, but you need the camera good also. And for the last is other necessary equipment such as a table or smartphone. So this like flexible, yeah. And the next list is software. For the first is collaboration software such as Microsoft Teams and Slack, virtual meeting tools like Zoom or Google Meet, and project management software such as Trello or Asana. Document editing programs like Google Docs or Microsoft Office. So let's talk about the benefit of remote mobility for business. So for the benefit of remote mobility for business. The first is improving work efficiency. Without being tied to an office location, employees can work in more comfortable and flexible environments, resulting in higher productivity. For the second, reducing operational co- costs. Without the need to rent office space and cover others' expense. Business can reduce operational costs by implementing remote work. For the third is increasing employee diversity. With remote mobility, businesses are able to hire employees from different parts of the world and increase increase works diversity. So it's from anywhere there are the employee. For the last is conclusion and recommendation. For the conclusion, remote work can give many good things for a company. It can make employees more productive and help save money, but the company must think about the right way and tools to help employees to their job from far away. And then for the recommendation to make remote work successful, companies need fast internet, good device like laptops and easy to use apps for teamwork and projects. Manager should also talk clearly with employees and check their work to keep them productive. So that's all from me. Thank you and hopefully you learn something. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.